I give all the best tools, the AI tools, to a salesperson. If I don't train them how to use them, if I don't give them boundaries and guardrails, then they're probably not going to do well with AI tools. So what I'm seeing with my sales teams is really setting a pace. AI is amazing. LLMs, the use of these tools to learn about your potential clients and customers, to learn about how to message to them. We can now look at the DISC profile of your potential clients, and so you can communicate with them the way they want to be communicated with. But you have to use the tools in appropriate ways and in sequences so that they make sense. Will it make the salesperson go away? No. People buy from people they know, they like, and they trust.